Did you know that Medicare gives you one chance per year to change or drop a Medicare Advantage plan? That's right. You've likely heard about the famous fall annual election period that occurs between October 15th and December 7th. But around this time of year, we begin to get questions about Medicare Advantage Open Enrollment Period. And if you've been wondering what this period is all about, then stick around. Hi, I'm Cheryl Scarlato of SSG Insurance, also Senior Solutions Group. The Medicare Advantage Open Enrollment Period, which occurs between January 1st and March 31st of each year. This enrollment period is only for Medicare beneficiaries who are already enrolled in Medicare Advantage plans at the start of this year. So if you have a Medigap plan, also known as a Medicare supplement plan like a Plan F or a Plan G or a Plan N, or you don't have Medicare plan at all, this period will not apply to you. So you can turn off the video and keep looking. During this period of Medicare Advantage Open Enrollment Period, here's what you can do. Beneficiaries can change or drop their Medicare Advantage plan. For example, you can go from one Medicare Advantage plan to another Medicare Advantage plan. Or you can drop your Medicare Advantage plan and switch back to original Medicare. And then you can pick up a standalone Part D drug plan. If you drop your Medicare Advantage plan, you may want to apply for a Medigap plan first so that you aren't without any secondary coverage at all. However, just because you dropped your Medicare Advantage plan doesn't mean you'll have a guaranteed approval for that Medigap plan. In most states, you'll likely have to answer health questions when applying for a new Medigap plan. Generally, changes made during this enrollment period will take effect the first month of the month following the month that you applied and were approved for. Now, you might be wondering why anyone would need this enrollment period if the fall annual election period has just passed. Well, that's a good question. So let's take a step back to remember what the fall annual election period is for. The fall annual election period, which we call AEP, is for enrolling into, changing, or dropping Medicare Advantage plans. Mistakes that you can make during this period, which is during the fall, before the annual election period even starts, is by not reviewing the annual notice of change that the Medicare Advantage plan carrier sends out to you every September. So do not throw your mail away. When you see your carrier start sending you things, you want to make sure that you open your mail and it comes to you every September. Well, you might be happy with your current plan the way that it is, and you assume that it will stay the same the following year. But then you go to your pharmacy to fill out the prescription in January, and you are surprised when the pharmacist tells you the plan no longer covers the drug and that is on the formulary. Or you get your first bill for your planned premium and you find out that it went up for the new year. Or if you have a zero premium and they put a premium onto it. Now you are stuck between a rock and a hard place with a plan that isn't what you thought it was because you didn't review the changes the plan was making for the new following year. As these plans do change every single year, they are yearly contracts. Or perhaps you joined a new Medicare Advantage plan during the fall annual election period, and on your first doctor's appointment in the new year, you learn that the doctor is not in your network. They can leave. The doctors can change their contracts at any time. The Medicare Advantage Open Enrollment Period is an opportunity to correct all of these kinds of issues when changing between one Medicare Advantage plan to another Medicare Advantage plan. So you should compare several plans in your area to number one, find the most cost effective plan for your medical needs and your prescriptions, as you may have made some changes during the year. And number two, find a plan that most or all of your important doctors do accept. These are the types of things that we look for when finding our clients the most cost effective Medicare Advantage plans for them. It's just that many Medicare beneficiaries aren't aware they need to check on these things. And if you are wondering why you have never heard of the Medicare Advantage Open Enrollment Period before, it's because agents and insurance companies can't use this period to proactively seek out Medicare beneficiaries. We can't seek them out to encourage them to switch plans. That is not what this important period is for. It is designed to give beneficiaries a one-time chance to change their plan for one of the reasons that I mentioned earlier, or for any reason at all. So while you may see purely educational videos like this one that explain what the period is and what it's for, you won't face the same kind of deluge of marketing from insurance companies in the Medicare Advantage Open Enrollment Period as you do during the fall Open Enrollment Period, which I'm sure none of you have seen the TV ads or get tons of calls. I'm sure you don't. If you're still learning about Medicare, check out my other videos and my Medicare workshop, and I'll link to that down below. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified when I post a new video.